Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. From the wall, unplug the dryer. Never work on the dryer when the power cord is plugged in. So that's the first thing we need to do. Take care of that. We'll be installing a variable buzzer on this GE gas dryer. There's your buzzer knob there. So we're gonna remove the 6 screws of the rear cover. 3 on top, 3 on the bottom. Okay, with the cover removed. Okay, now we're gonna remove the control panel, slide it to the right, and remove it out of the slots. Remove the buzzer knob. This is very important. Make sure you video or photo all the connections on these components. It's very important because you can get the wires all mixed up. Make sure you get the part where they are connected to the tabs. Sometimes these wires run and look like they're going one place and they're actually going another, and people screw it up by putting the wrong wires on the wrong tabs, and you have problems. Take your time. Video or photo. Photo is better, but make sure it's detailed to where the connections are made. And then you won't have the problem of, oh, where does it go? Where does it go? So before you start pulling all these wires off, get a detailed photo of the wires. It's very, very important. Okay, to remove the buzzer signal, the little plastic piece right there, you're going to pull up on and turn it counterclockwise. And pull it on out of there. To install it, just put it in the hole, turn it clockwise, and make sure the little tab is above that plastic piece there to lock it in. Now replace the knob. Okay, the back cover is replaced. And the job is now complete. Look me up on Facebook at Appliance Flipper, as well as YouTube, Appliance Flipper. Okay. I'll be doing many, many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.